चोर से श्री ने निकाला HDFC इन्फिनिया कि आप जा सकते हैं, +1 अलाउड नहीं है। मैंने अपना विस्तारा निकाला। मैम आप तो प्रीमियम लाउंज में जा सकते हैं।
You all have put the entire expense on the wedding and the returns from that have given you a fully funded Euro trip.
ये पहला इंसान होगा जो होटल को जाके बोल रहा है आप पेमेंट ले लो। वो मैनेजर बोल रहा है मैम मैंने ऐसा बंदा नहीं देखा है जो आके बोल रहा है कि पैसे ले लो।
We gave the token bonus. पहला 2 लाख when we swiped, the hotel saw that 1.8% उनका कट रहा है। जैसे ही हुआ next payment they were like sir 1.8 आपको देना पड़ेगा।
आपके पास मैग्नस बर्गंडी है और आप बड़े एक ही मंथ में जाने वाले हो because of a car or a flat. 2 months before, speak to your RM, send out your 3 years or 2 years का ITR to them. There's a great chance of getting a credit limit upgrade as well.
शादी को कितने साल हो गए?
It's been 16 years.
आपको लगता है कि सब डिसीजंस में आपका से है? It was
Lights flashing bright, we're on the go. Tune in now, there's so much to know. Earning bits, travel dreams we sow. All aboard the Great Indian Points and Miles show. 0 to hero in the blink of an eye. Fly first class, no need to be shy. Redemption sweet, touching the sky. Award seats booked, let's give it a try. Award seats booked, let the points flow. It's all aboard the Great Indian Points and Miles show. Unlocking journeys wherever you go. The sky's the limit, feel the travel mojo.
Hello and welcome to the Great Indian Points and Miles show. This is your host Adil. I am super stoked about our conversation today. It's a lovely morning. We're recording at Zed the Baker in Indiranagar, Bangalore. And today we're going to talk about how some of the big fat Indian weddings can be turned into one of the biggest mileage run opportunities of our lives. We've got a couple who've done just that. But before we bring in that couple, we've got my co-founder Adarniya Dhimanji, like we call him, who's recently been bestowed a new title by our community at the Great Indian Lounge on Discord. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, they call him now CAO, Chief Amsterdam Officer. Kya haal hai bhai? Welcome to the show.
I just got off a very interesting call with Dubai Tourism. They were wanting to see if you will collab with them for your frame, Dubai frames. Like बोला कि यार बहुत फेमस हो रहे हैं, हमको कॉल्स आ रहे हैं कि यार दुबई फ्रेम्स पहने.
अभी चेंज हो गया है.
So as you guys know, people ask Adil कि तुम्हारा दुबई फ्रेम्स क्यों पहनते हो तुम? So what are you wearing today? Eiffel Tower?
ये कुछ और है. This is a friend रौनक of mine from Ahmedabad. उसने भेज दिए. बोला मैं बोर हो गया हूँ तेरे को ब्लैक फ्रेम्स में तू ये पहन. So like welcome.
The first side business that we ever start will be of a frames co-branded merchandise. पक्के से. And I hope we get funded by somebody.
The guy, speaking of funding, there is a gentleman sitting on your right. This gentleman is someone I've had the pleasure of knowing for the last 8+ years. 8+ years because I had the privilege of recruiting him. This gentleman was selling fancy software and equipment back in the day at National Instruments. किसी तरह इसको ढूंढा, पटाया, और चिपकाया कि he should come and work at a small humble startup of ours back in the day in 2015 or 16 early March 2016 early March. और फिर साहब पधारे अप्रैल में. He then went on to become one of the most smartest enterprise sales guys I've met on the planet. He then went on to do his MBA at Wharton, delighting his parents and all of us. I finally have a friend who I can say भाई अपना है Wharton में पढ़ाई किया है. And then he came back and now he's a prominent VC in the India ecosystem. He's one of those VCs who's worked in US. He's back now. Swagat hai bhai.
Sir, thank you. I feel I made it in life. I've always seen this podcast from the other side. अब लग रहा है अचीव कर लिया सब कुछ जिंदगी में. Wharton का achievement भी कम लग रहा है. I was telling Sneja how excited I am to be on this podcast. And congratulations to you guys for completing a year. It's amazing. You've saved a lot of people a lot of money.
Including Wharton folks.
There you go. And with Shri, with us is today Sneja. I met Sneja at Shri and Sneha's wedding that happened just about a month back. So Shri and Sneha just got married at Udaipur, one of my favorite cities in the country. Recently, I've been loving Udaipur simply because I went there for the first time this year. और फिर Shri और Sneha ने दोबारा बुला दिया. Went there, had a great time. One of the most prettiest weddings. Also, I have never seen Shri dance like he's ever danced like this.
B-roll alert.
Clearly, the first time in his life, I could see him memorizing moves. He's obviously looking at Sneha and doing that and all of that. But then पहली बार इसने याद भी किया था, lip sync हो रहा है song पे. तो भाई, आपने इसको बहुत अच्छा सिखाया है. I think you need to teach him a lot more about all things in life, if I may. But welcome, Sneha.
Thank you so much, and congratulations to you guys as well. Before we delve into it, what is this Chief Amsterdam Officer?
So if you don't know, like there have been a set of cities I've been fortunate or unfortunate to be multiple times. Amsterdam is one of them. So I've been there 4 times. I love the city and I've been vocal about it. But
हाँ तुम
grossly misunderstood city.
Definitely, we have a lot to talk about.
When are you
एक
going?
मिनट दूसरे misunderstood cities भी बता दो so that she gets that frame of reference.
Chief Amsterdam officer, Chief Thailand officer, Chief Vegas officer, and which was the 4th one? Chief Goa officer.
We see a pattern.
Exactly. So, there you go. But, guys, Sneha is a mega entrepreneur. She runs one of East India's most fastest growing digital marketing firms. And then she's also a big deal on Instagram. We'll put up her handle so you can look it up. But 250K plus followers, slaying it in life at the moment. So again, very, very happy to have Shri and Sneha on the show today. We've got them on the show for a very particular reason. The reason is this. They just got married. They put the entire spend on the credit card and they're off for their honeymoon to Europe. So we've just published recently an episode with Manas, a friend of ours, who is doing his first Europe trip as we speak, completely funded by points. This will be a second one, but Manas had a very different play. Y'all have put the entire expense on the wedding, and the returns from that have given you a fully funded Euro trip. So we'll dig into that. But that's the context, folks. And with that, we're going to dive in immediately. So, बताओ भाई, ये नशा कहाँ से आया पॉइंट्स का? ये कहाँ से चमका तुमको कि मैं शादी कर रहा हूँ लेकिन इससे भी कुछ निचोड़ लेता हूँ और ऐसे निचोड़ूंगा कि यूरो ट्रिप होना चाहिए और वो होना नहीं चाहिए, तुमने कर दिया, राइट? आई मीन, टॉक थ्रू अस थ्रू द टाइमलाइन, talk through us through what you did and how you made it happen.
But before he starts, I have one thing I want to just say, because you mentioned very interestingly कि तुमने इसको नचाया था.
हाँ.
ये जो शुरू हुआ है नचाना, अभी नाचना बहुत बाकी है. Like the real dance starts now. Experience से पूछ लेता है.
तुम रुको, अभी ताशी आ रही है. कौन नाचेगा ये हमें समझ में आएगा. अभी आने वाली है ताशी 2 घंटे में.
जैसे क्रेडिट कार्ड का भी रिवैल्यूएशन और डिवैल्यूएशन पीरियड होता है ना, वैसे दिस इज द रिवैल्यूएशन पीरियड. एंजॉय इट व्हिल इट लास्ट्स.
I like how मेरे अच्छे डांस का क्रेडिट all my best friends give to Sneha. जिसने प्रैक्टिस किया, जिसने नाचा, उसको कोई क्रेडिट नहीं दे रहा है.
देखो भाई, अगर वो तुमको कोरियोग्राफ नहीं करती ना, तुम क्या करते हमें सबको पता है क्योंकि हमने तुम्हें देखा है.
No, friends care for you. They're preparing you for not getting credit for what you
I'll
do.
tell you the funny story. I didn't know he can dance, right? Since the time we've started dating and we were having our courtship, मुझे एक ही चीज लगता था यार, लड़के में जो चाहिए मिल गया, बस डांसर नहीं मिला. And I was like, चलो
She has a checklist.
Yeah.
She has a checklist.
I had
Only
a
item that wasn't ticked on the
matching
checklist was a good dancer.
Dancer. तो I was like, ठीक है चलो, बाकी सब तो एकदम बढ़िया है, सिखा देंगे डांस. हाँ. So the first dance I practiced with him was our couple dance, and I kept the most simple steps ever. And this guy's like, हाँ मैं नहीं कर सकता, simple दो. Cut to the wedding. He is coming and doing these surprise dances and jumping, and I'm like, what are you doing? He's gone on the floor doing the garmi step, and I'm just in shock. What is happening? When did this happen? So he has clearly learned.
It's called, एक मिनट, it's called under promise and over deliver. वो
Definitely.
नॉकआउट पंच मारता है. 10
This is what
साल
it
से
tells-
देख
this
रहा
is
हूँ
what it
मैं.
tells you. That's what
कभी
tells benches.
वॉर्टन से फोन करता था, क्या जाए, कुछ नहीं यार, चल रहा है, कुछ नहीं हो रहा यार, बोर हो गया हूँ, ये फाइट मार रहा हूँ, ये नहीं हो रहा. 2 दिन के बाद होता है, मेरा हो गया, ये फर्म में मेरी इंटर्नशिप हो गई. भाई, बेसिमर कोई बच्चा फर्म नहीं है. इट्स वन ऑफ द मोस्ट प्रोमिनेंट वीसी फर्म्स इन द वर्ल्ड. नहीं वो
हाँ।
चल रहा था, मेरे को लगा नहीं हो रहा था, तो ये अंडर प्रॉमिस ओवर डिलीवर
I agree,
बचपन
I
की
agree.
आदत है.
ये इसकी आदत है.
हाँ.
अब मैं सीख रही हूँ ना. आप लोग मुझे बताओगे ये क्या करता है.
No, but I think, Adil, to answer your question, we knew that we need to stick to a budget. So first step was just deciding कि यार इस budget में करना है, which I think most couples do but fail miserably. The second was while we were, I think, looking for the right property, speaking to the property to ask them to accept this credit card itself is like an achievement. कोई Amex नहीं ले रहा है, कोई Visa Mastercard नहीं लेता है, कोई बोलता है सर आप इतना कैश पे कर दो, इतना कार्ड पे कर दो, तो आधा नेगोशिएशन तो वहीं से चालू हो जाता है. So this particular property we found, he agreed to a credit card. I think the catch is when you swipe a Magnus or when you swipe like an Atlas, the interchange fee that they end up paying is like almost 2%, and they don't realize it until they swipe it for the first time. So we had to renegotiate after we gave like the token bonus. But we were like, yeah, ठीक है, planner को इतना देना है, property को इतना देना है, you know. So approximate budgeting happens there, and you speak to both of them. Ki we're going to do all our spends on the credit card. Are you okay with it? Because both of them, since it was a destination wedding, they have to send you a link. अब वो आधे लोग लिंक जनरेट करना नहीं जानते कि यार वो मशीन से क्रेडिट कार्ड लिंक कैसे जनरेट होती है. सब बोलते हैं सर यूपीआई कर दो, कन्वीनियंट होता है. बट I think we were lucky in that way. Both our planner and the property in which we had the wedding agreed to accept our credit card. We did a little bit of negotiation that we'll talk about, but I think step one is finalizing a good location and a good planner, both of whom should be willing to accept the card.
Yeah.
But just give me an idea of like what kind of property are you talking about here? So for our viewers who generally would want to plan for this, like are we talking about a branded chain having these problems, which is quite surprising? So if you can just break that down.
So branded chain will definitely accept a credit card. We didn't go with a branded chain. We went with this boutique sort of wellness resort.
Got it.
And they don't have, it was just one property, right? So usually those are the ones where you'll have
Got it.
trouble getting the credit card accepted. But it's better to have that conversation before you sign that contract. Once you sign the contract, they like bind you legally, right?
Yeah.
They'll be like, sir, up.
Majority of the times families are paying for the wedding, and the wedding market is very known for its cash transactions. Like people don't think about it, right? Even vendors are very used to taking cash, and hotels. But then if you're okay with paying the GST and you know if all your papers are on
Yeah.
track, if all your taxes are on track, this shouldn't be a problem at all. So that's the first step, I think, making sure all your taxes are on track. And then if you go and if you're ready to pay the GST as well and
Yeah.
do those proper negotiations, ki, hi, my GST is included in the cost, or how you can get the benefit out of
Yeah.
that as well, then swiping a credit card became way more easier for
I think it's
us.
a great point that to bring up, because also I wanted to ask this question to you guys. Did you guys consider having a wedding planner? Because a lot of time what happens is that wedding planners may be the intermediary. You have to pay them and they would not take a credit card. So did you face that as well, or did you directly tell them that we'll go with the direct payment, or how does that work?
So, two questions, right? I think the first, we went with a planner because we knew Udaipur is a hard place
Correct.
to reach.
Exactly.
बैंगलोर से डायरेक्ट फ्लाइट है, कैलकाटा से डायरेक्ट नहीं है, चेन्नई से डायरेक्ट नहीं है, और लोगों को वाया करके आना पड़ता है. सो हैविंग अ प्लानर जस्ट हेल्प सेव दैट लॉजिस्टिक्स हैसल, राइट? कब कौन कब कहाँ लैंड कर रहा है. Property, Adil, you were at the property, right? It's a very hilly terrain.
Yeah.
So making sure people are comfortable in their rooms, are going to the right venue at the right time. The second, we went with the wedding company, and we, like I mentioned, spoke to them. कि यार card accept कर लोगे क्या? All the decor, the venue, make जाके रेकी करना, all of that was done by them. We are busy with her. She has 2 full-time jobs. She's running 2 businesses. I have like a very hectic schedule myself. The planner ensures things flow smoothly, right? So
Actually, not all wedding planners take a credit card.
Hmm.
We were lucky enough because we actually went with a aggregator. So they were ready to take a credit card because they are a properly registered company. So they agreed for it. Our vendors, they had vendors under them.
Yeah.
So we directly paid the company and they paid the vendor.
Yeah, but where I was coming from was that if you look at a similar other interior as a business, right, the same thing happens. If you go with the interior decorator, like a lot of times the margin is hidden in the work that they do, so they wouldn't allow you to directly pay. So they're like, "Hey, मुझे पैसा
और
दो."
अभी वो भी चेंज हो रहा है. Like I got my house interiors done through a internet first firm.
Yeah.
And उन्होंने ले लिया credit card, so
Correct,
no problem.
exactly,
But वो वही है, like Sneha rightly said, your paperwork needs to be in order. You need to be okay with paying GST because most people on cash transactions try to avoid GST. तो वहाँ problem आ जाता है. But if you're cool with all of this and everything is legit, then there is no issue. Like you can get it out of the bag.
So Adil, what we have learned, right, over the period of time is ki don't get carried away by either side, right? So one side is that people will tell you ki, अरे there is a lot of hidden charge of credit card, आप मत pay करो. The other side will say कि अरे क्या इतना बड़ा खर्चा सीधा credit card spend कर दो, दे दो जो भी पैसा है. I think it's very simple math in my head, right? If you have a credit card which gives you a net return of 5 to 7% at least minimum, then you should consider paying that 1-2% charge because at the scale at what you spend, even a 3% return makes a massive difference. Forget Magnus Burgundy, वो तो 14% वाला game है. So that we'll talk about. I'm sure you have a lot of stories to talk
I
about.
think so. That's the coming from a business background. I was always worried कि GST देना है, GST देना है, हम credit card पे क्यों कर रहे हैं?
Correct.
But what you said, the benefit, right? So he calculated and he would explain it to me कि GST जो दे रहे हैं and जो benefit आ रहा है, the benefit is really outweighing the GST cost. This a lot of people don't understand. We had to explain to our families also.
Got
Like,
it.
वो मेरे को स्प्राइट का ऐड याद आ रहा है, दिखाओ पे ना जाओ, अपनी अकल लगाओ, सीधी बात, नो बकवास. So I think just do the math. So long as that percentage works for you, absolutely go for it.
finance का बंदा है तो
हाँ, हाँ.
math तो
ये-
brain में ऐसे
ये
करता
तो
है.
दिन रात वैल्यूएशन निकालता है.
हाँ.
हमारी भी निकाल ले भाई.
If you have something, we would love to have a VC sheet to know how marriage expenses are optimized for.
What we'd like is a term sheet, Shri.
He can actually help with that. The negotiations he has done in the entire wedding, he has saved us a lot of money.
So
Yeah.
wait, let me ask you, when did Shri at this entire point of the shadi planning journey come to you and say, मेरे पास एक स्कीम है, अपन क्रेडिट कार्ड से पेमेंट करेंगे,
Meme alert.
अपन कैश नहीं देंगे, अपन बैंक ट्रांसफर नहीं करेंगे, we will pay via credit card. And did he maro the pitch to you saying that this is why I want to do it? What was that like? What was that moment like?
Yeah, so I think आप लोग का कुछ एपिसोड ही निकला था उस टाइम या कोई रील आया था एंड यू ऑल वर टॉकिंग अबाउट हाउ यू नो यूरोप का या कहीं का टिकट यू कैन गेट फ्रॉम योर क्रेडिट कार्ड स्पेंड्स एंड coincidentally that time, similar to you guys also, like people who are doing this, everybody was talking about wedding spends, or maybe our algorithm was just showing us that
Yeah,
because
sure, yeah.
obviously
Yeah.
they caught us talking
Yeah.
about the wedding, right? So we were just getting bombarded with these kinds of content. And I think that's what he took it seriously because his time pass is watching podcasts. Like he will download a podcast and watch it on the plane and I will watch some episode, like, you know, some show.
Or buy gift cards on credit.
Yeah. Like he will not let me shop until he has a gift card,
Yeah.
right? So,
Welcome. welcome.
कुछ सुना सुना सा लग रहा है.
आप लोग से ही सीखा है इसने.
Like a very funny thing, right? I feel कि अगर शादी के पहले अगर मैंने ताशी को ये बोला होता तो she would be like यार ये क्या चिंदी आदमी ने शादी कर लिया. कभी सोचा था आपने ऐसा कुछ नहीं ना? Good.
I love
मैंने
it.
भी आपके वो कपल्स वाले एपिसोड से ही देखा था.
Yeah, but sorry, go ahead.
No,
sorry.
I love it because I don't save so much. Like, so at least getting a partner who can help me do that is great, right? So then he came up. He's like, नहीं मेरे पास इतना limit है and we can put it on credit card. I was like, how am I going to put it? Because I have to show my business expense, right? Like I cannot show so much on a credit card. But then I spoke to my CA and he really pushed me for it and he's like, नहीं babe, देखो यूरोप का honeymoon करेंगे, we can do this. And he started doing all the math and started showing me on an Excel sheet. Okay, Excel sheet मत दिखाओ. Let's just tell me directly क्या फायदा हो रहा है.
I
Then
can
we'll go
literally
for
imagine
it.
it in my head. Like
Yeah.
कैसे decision रहा होगा.
Oh, he made a full Excel sheet.
Yeah.
He, like we spoke about it. You asked me, right? That moment.
Yeah.
We spoke about it. 10 minutes later, I had a full Excel sheet with a format made and he's like, start putting every expense on this Excel sheet and calculate हो जाएगा कि क्या हो रहा है. रात को 10 बजे, I'm like, what is this happening? But he convinced me. I mean, he does a great job at that. I think you know him
Yeah, of
better
course.
than
Of
I
course.
do.
Yeah.
This is a basic requirement for his job.
Yeah, exactly.
No,
So,
he's very good at it.
he's
And
a charmer
He's lined
for
yeah,
people
absolutely.
who know him.
Yeah.
पटाया भी ऐसे ही था उसने with all these
ये भी interesting
dialogues.
story लग रही है.
Arif, surprisingly, you know, so his dating profile actually in his bio, he said, "I'm that guy in finance." So I don't know if you know the reference. There was this whole finance का एक reel popular हो गया था, that song. So yeah, he came up to me, and then this was before our recce. Surprisingly, we spoke to a wedding planner, and post that he had this idea, and since then we've been on board. So everybody we spoke to, the first thing he would ask is, "आप credit card से payment लोगे ना?"
So, if I understood this correctly, like Adil said, marriage expenses, the idea was to choose the right cards, spend the right categories, get your points, and then use it for your honeymoon. Right? That
Yeah,
was-
the
that was
vision, the goal was, can we, through our credit card points that we get in the wedding spend, sponsor our honeymoon, right?
Perfect.
I think that was such a good sort of motivation to
Yeah.
spend for the wedding.
Yeah.
Otherwise, we are like tension में यार खर्चा हो रहा है. But we're like, can we be smart about it and get a year-end Europe honeymoon through the credit card points? That would
Christmas in Europe, that too. Right?
Christmas in Europe would just make
And
it
I
sweet.
think we also realized one of his best ways to convince was, you're never going to spend this much in
Yes.
your life. So this is the best time to take advantage of
I think
it.
also like we keep saying this, right? You tend to use your points and miles for experiences that you generally don't spend revenue for, right? मतलब थोड़ा सा दर्द होता है कि मतलब यार खुद के पैसे देके ये होटल में कभी स्टे करूंगा या नहीं करूंगा. So this happened with me multiple times. In Europe, you'll either generally choose a B&B, right? Because you want to anyway stay out. But अगर कोई अच्छी property है and you have points, like you're like, ठीक है, let's just indulge a little bit. When you come back from your day trip, getting to sit in a great lounge or whatever, right? I mean, works perfectly well.
So I think negotiating with vendors to make sure they accept credit card is step one. Finding the right credit card is step two, right? So like Adil, I used to have a Magnus earlier.
Yeah.
Like the relationship with Axis went bitter. So जब मैं US गया तो I was like, I let go of the Magnus.
Yeah.
But after I came back right before the wedding, I think we were having that conversation. And you recommended getting the Magnus again because for crazy spends, anything that goes above 1.5 lakhs, Magnus is like a no-brainer.
Yeah.
So Magnus लिया, new उसमें 15 लाख का limit है. So I was like ready to pull the trigger, right? कि यार जैसे ही खर्चा आएगा, सारा Magnus
पूरा
पे
निकाल दूंगा.
And I think timing of those expenses also matter, right? Because people usually do their honeymoon right after the wedding. So we didn't want to do that. We wanted to do it year end क्योंकि काम कम होता है. You can take a vacation peacefully. So ideally 4 months before when you want to plan for the honeymoon is when you should spend at least 50% of the wedding sort of expense. Access में आता भी वो 45 days after the calendar month ends, right? Is when they credit those accelerated points.
Yeah.
So when you spend it, plus you add another 45 days and you need at least 2 months before you book so that you get good value for your reward points. So 4 से 5 महीने पहले 50% अगर आप खर्चा कर दो. We staggered it. Like we did 30%, then 20%. Because you don't want to give too much to the hotel very early in your spend as well. So I think planning when do you spend it also. She was like, यार इतना जल्दी क्यों दे रहे हो?
अरे तो ये पहला इंसान होगा लाइफ में जो होटल को जाके बोल रहा है आप पेमेंट ले लो. होटल नहीं मांग रहा है, ये बोल रहा है आप मुझे लिंक दो, मुझे
I
पेमेंट
can
करना
assure
है.
you it's not the
Honeymoon
first.
China साइड में ना फ्री फ्लाइट की टिकटें करवानी
वो
है.
मैनेजर खुद जाके बोल रहा है मैम मैंने ऐसा बंदा नहीं देखा है जो आके बोल रहा है कि पैसे ले लो. वेडिंग कंपनी भी वही बोल रहा है और किसी को नहीं चाहिए पैसे, ये बोल रहा है सर आप ले लो, मुझे खर्चा
I can
करना है.
assure you is not the first. Like मैंने कभी लाइफ में जिंदगी में नहीं सोचा था कि मैं दोनों टर्म की मेरे स्कूल फीस बच्चों की एक साथ भर दूंगा. I've done that as well. Like every time it's March, I'm excited. बोला कि दोनों फीस टर्म की फीस भर दो. Like so, you're not the first. I'm
दिख
sure.
रहा है ना 14%. So
हाँ, so I guess people don't realize that, right? हमारे families बोल रहे हैं कि तुम लोग क्या points के चक्कर में ज्यादा खर्चा मत कर देना.
My mom
मतलब
thinks I'm spending more because of points. Even
No,
now.
I got a stinker from auntie. When I went and saw her, she's like, "ये आदिल खर्चा बड़ा कराता है." So लाइक अरे आंटी आपका फायदा ही हो रहा है, आप स्ट्रेस मत लो, आपका लड़का मस्त हनीमून पे जाएगा.
बचपन में पता है एक दोस्त आता था जब घर पे, तो पेरेंट्स बोलते थे देखो ये कितना अच्छा है, ये एग्जैक्ट उल्टा है, बोला आ गया यार ये अभी तो मेरे बच्चे की 2 लाख की एक्स्ट्रा खर्चा हो जाएगा.
यार तो अभी लेट्स ब्रेक इट डाउन, अभी थोड़ा नर्डी होते हैं इसके बारे में. टेल अस व्हाट इज द टोटल अमाउंट यू स्पेंड ऑन द वेडिंग, हाउ मच यू पुट ऑन व्हाट कार्ड्स, and let's understand the science of why you put where, and then we'll come to the honeymoon. But first let's break it down कि total खर्चा इतना हुआ, कौन से कार्ड्स में कितना दिया.
एक बिफोर दैट स्टार्ट, like one simple question, like did you get any cards specially for the wedding after the Magnus Burgundy? Like was there कि ये लेना है मुझे just because मुझे wedding expense पे डालना है?
सिर्फ मैग्नस बर्गंडी पे किया है पूरा खर्चा.
Okay.
We didn't get us any. So Axis थोड़ा the issue with Axis that I have is my company is very small, right? It has just 10 people.
Yeah.
And I don't have the salaried Burgundy account. So I have to maintain that minimum balance, whether it's a 30 lakh FD or a 10 lakh savings. Because we were saving for the wedding for a long time, both of us decided that we'll maintain that balance till we get that. I still don't have it. So there's a big barrier to getting that Burgundy, but I think it's worth it. So the first step is to get the Burgundy account and then get the Burgundy card. We went all in on the Magnus Burgundy. In the hindsight, we think we should have like diversified a little bit. Atlas already tha mere pe. Because there's a group A limit on the Burgundy. Axis पे थोड़ा करते वो 15 लाख का लिमिट हिट करते तो ट्रांसफर ग्रुप ए ट्रांसफर would have been easier. But no regrets, right? I think group B is 8 lakh points, right? So it's like a big enough limit for us. Didn't get any specific. Just to answer your question in short, went all in on the Magnus because the accelerated rewards was best in class, right?
Awesome.
Yeah,
I have a question for you. Like when you guys were strategizing this card spends, like can you give us an idea of the categories of the in the marriage spends, like hotel hai, travel hai, like if you can just also help that.
Yeah.
And like was there any other card you guys used apart from Magnus Burgundy for any of the spends?
In terms of the cards we used, I think he'll be the better judge. I was just following because he didn't let me use any of my cards also. So, because he had the Magnus and Infinio. So he was pretty much like all my travel spends every time. So we were doing a long distance and every time we were visiting each other also, you know, he would either use those points or put it on his card. In terms of the categories, I think there are 3-4 major categories. One is, of course, the hotel. So hotel includes 2 parts. One is your stay and one is the food. So hotel includes these 2 parts. The second is, of course, the wedding planner. Now, because we spoke to the wedding planner, we told them कि we'll pay you. आप सारे वेंडर्स को पेमेंट कर देना. तो हमने किसी को डायरेक्टली नहीं किया. Be it the photographer.
Super smart.
including cash.
Super smart,
like
yeah.
we didn't spend cash at all.
There were places where the planners had to pay cash.
Correct.
And we pay
Yeah,
them.
yeah.
Correct.
हाँ, हमने
Which is awesome, right? I mean, they'll manage.
They'll manage everybody. So we went via them for everybody. हमने wedding planner को fix करने के पहले ही we told them this is our budget. They gave us a cost sheet. We sat for like 2-3 hours with them, online Zoom calls, and we made sure this is fitting in our budget. That's how we finalized the wedding planner. We did this exercise with 3-4 people. And we were sure we want to go with someone local because they have the better idea of the market there. And then be it a photographer, the main major cost in a wedding would be your decor, which you give to a wedding planner. So decor, sound, photographer, those are the major costs. We gave it to the planner, they gave it to other vendors.
One was the planner.
That's it.
Awesome, yeah. This is such
2 categories.
Simplicity, right?
Simplicity. I mean, and again, did you face any challenge while acceptability in any of the cases?
So in the hotel, we gave the token bonus. Pehla 2 lakh when we swiped, the hotel saw that 1.8% उनका कट रहा है. जैसे ही हुआ next payment, they were like, sir, 1.8 आपको देना पड़ेगा. So we were like, yeah, this wasn't agreed upon earlier. He told me आप credit card accept करो. Then we went back and forth a little and decided we'll split it.
Yeah.
We just split the difference. So 0.9%.
Yeah.
We paid over 10 lakh का अगर spend है तो 0.9% वो
0.9 is brilliant, yeah.
Amazing.
0.9 is just similar to how a car dealer will charge you, and 0.9 is brilliant. I would say you got a great deal.
and the planners were very accommodating, so they didn't take that extra interchange fee from us. So hotel was one, the planner was the other. I think all in all, I think not to give the exact amount, but we must have spent over 30 lakh rupees on both combined.
Right.
And the key is, like I said, staggering it. You don't want to give too much early on because then they get complacent.
Correct.
So you spend like approximately 50% of it
Yeah.
4 months say before the wedding,
हाँ.
ताकि आपके points 2 महीने पहले तक आ जाए.
So did you spend like 10, 12 lakhs 4 months before the wedding in the same statement cycle so that you could juice the AP?
So we must have concentrated all of our payments in about 2 months. So हमने 1-2 महीने में concentrate किया सारा अपना spend, and the one lever that you can use is you pay right before the statement gets generated
Correct.
and right after it gets generated.
Correct.
So you get that 45-day sort of period as well. That I think is a hidden perk, right? When nobody talks about
So
it.
that 1% you recovered again basically because you gave him 0.9, but the cost of capital is 1% a month. So net off it was 0.
So I get 2 salaries till I make the next payment, right?
Yeah.
That gives you some runway as well. So even if you make a payment and you don't have that cash, you get 2 paychecks
Yeah.
to cover up that ground.
Correct.
So concentrating it in 2 months, I think is a. So 6 महीने पहले वैसे भी सारे planners or the location will ask you to pay a certain amount. They'll be happy if you say मैं 50% upfront दे रहा हूँ.
Yeah.
So you are in their good books. They don't have to worry about running behind you for payments.
So you had an Atlas also before. Atlas ka 15 lakh limit you had already done, or you had done 7.5.
I think what Access does is if you have an Atlas and a Burgundy, दोनों का combined limit has to be 15.
Huh, sure. Yeah. No, but did you? My question is, had you earned enough points before the wedding spend on the Atlas, or no?
No. उसके पहले spends were pretty normal.
हाँ.
Atlas का wasn't even halfway there till the
Okay.
milestone benefit,
हाँ.
right? I think first milestone भी hit नहीं हुआ था.
हाँ.
But I knew जब तक Magnus Burgundy में जान तब तक,
हाँ.
you know, I need to max this out.
Yeah.
So spent in those 2 months.
So शादी के सारे खर्चे went only on Burgundy.
So I'm going to go out on a limb and say, Adil, that not everybody has a Magnus Burgundy.
Yeah.
And a lot of questions and people who come say, मेरी शादी है लेकिन मेरा Magnus Burgundy नहीं है,
Correct.
मैं बर्बाद हो गया. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
Yeah.
Like, so I'm going to put a simple math. आपका 10 लाख का खर्चा है, you have a Premier or you have an Infinia, right? Because your salary account is in HSBC, for example. At a 3% reward rate, if you're able to negotiate a 1% MDR, you're talking about a 2% return back, right? At a 10 lakh spend, we are talking about roughly a 20,000 points, right? Which in Accor value is 40,000 rupees today worth of hotels.
Correct.
It is not bad
Correct.
at all.
Correct.
Sure, get an Atlas, get an Magnus Burgundy, but Atlas is no longer being issued. Magnus Burgundy के लिए मेरे पास नहीं है 30 लाख डालने के लिए मेरे अकाउंट में. Please go ahead and still put your expenses on that 3% card. Like Infinia is also one of the other cards where आप Kris Flyer पे आराम से you can book a business class ticket or let's say 2 economy class tickets easily, right? So that's at least what my suggestion would be.
Yeah, makes sense. I think like there are different categories of cards that one should look at if you're planning your wedding. The most amazing way is like Shri and Sneja did, where you take a Magnus Burgundy. On your first 1.5 lakh rupees a month, you get 4.8%. Every rupee that you spend after the first 1.5 lakh, you're going to unlock 14%. Keep in mind that 14% is up to your credit card limit. For example, if you have a 15 lakh rupee limit on your credit card, on the first 1.5 lakh, you get 4.8%. On 13.5 lakhs, then you will get 14%. You can still continue to spend more on that card. You can spend 20 lakh rupees also. But then for the last 5 lakh rupees, you will not get 14%. You will still get 4.8%, which is still great. I think that's the lesson number 1, right? You want to juice the best card for your wedding, use the Magnus.
But यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा hack है Adil, and this is
बताओ.
what I have tried. It has worked for me. It should
बताओ.
work for a lot of people. When you're knowing that आपके पास Magnus Burgundy है और आप बड़े AEP month में जाने वाले हो because of a car or a flat, 2 months before, if you are able to send out a mail to Access, speak to your RM, send out your 3 years or 2 years ka ITR to them, there's a great chance of getting a credit limit upgrade as well. So what you do is you reach out to Access, you tell them that I've been on this limit for a month or 6 months or 1 year, and send them your ITR saying कि because काफी बार उनको ITR की visibility नहीं होती है while issuing the credit card, right? And the reason that you can give them is I have 2 cards, or let's say I have bigger limits across other cards. So what I did was I quoted my other card ka limit and told them कि यार how is it possible that your super premium card has half the credit limit of another super premium card? And I sent them the documents, and within 24 hours I got a reply back saying that your credit limit is increased by 5 lakh rupees.
Brilliant.
There's another 14% on 5 lakhs.
That's 70,000
Yeah,
points.
exactly.
And the value of that could easily double,
Yeah.
right? I mean, there are known ways to easily 2x that at the minimum.
Correct.
That's fantastic. So then, yeah, I think it's a great hack.
Is that
So-
per calendar month cycle?
Per calendar month.
Per calendar
Per
month.
calendar month, yeah.
I think उसमें भी हमने
अगर
31st
मैं-
first
मैं
31st
आपको
first.
मैं आपको पूछने वाला था कि बिकॉज आपने बोला कि मैंने स्प्लिट किया एक्सपेंसेस, डिड यू एवर गेट लाइक थॉट कि मतलब यार नहीं कर देता हूँ एक साथ ही पूरा एंड लाइक और नो दैट वाज टू मच टू
हमारी वेडिंग 2nd को थी, 2nd November.
हाँ.
So we made a part of the payment on the last day of the month, and then on the 1st of November.
Everything was calculated कि अभी इस डेट तक इतना पेमेंट करना है, इस डेट तक, like he was pretty at it.
मेरे को अक्षय कुमार का अजनबी वाला मीम याद आ गया, एवरीथिंग इज प्लान्ड, पासवर्ड भी है, एवरीथिंग विदाउट स्पेस इज प्लान्ड. Like that movie was a milestone in my head.
I have a great template for a wedding budget planner. I'll share it with your viewers.
Please do. We'll link it in the comments. So, okay. So, back to cards. So, the best way is to solve for your wedding spends by scoring a average of, let's say, 11% by getting the Magnus Burgundy. That's number one. If you can't get the Burgundy, what other options do you have, right? So, Dhimant rightly said that there are cards that give you great base rewards of 3%, 3.5%. So, the top contenders, in my opinion, HSBC Premier number one, simply because incredible transfer partners, direct transfer to Accor, direct transfer to JAL, which is practically instant, which is crazy, right? All other partners for JAL will take sometimes 15 days, sometimes a week, sometimes 3 days at the minimum. HSBC is like half an hour, which is wow, which is fantastic, right? So it's incredible speed. So HSBC Premier number one. You can look at ICICI Emerald Private Metal number two. And you can look at Infinia number 3. For those of you who have businesses, consider Diners Biz Black. Again, it's a fantastic card, particularly because it gives you points on your tax spends as well. Now, there is there's a third category of card that we often don't talk about, which is milestone-based cards. So I think that is where your Atlas is a great example because it gives you milestones based on 7.5 lakhs and 15 lakh rupees spends. The Qatar IndusInd Avios card, again, it has milestones baked in. The HDFC Marriott Bonvoy Diners card, if you enjoy Bonvoy properties, and if your credit limit is low and you're not able to get the best cards, it's still a great card at the base of the pyramid to start and gradually climb. So I think consider top of the pyramid cards, consider best flat reward rate cards, and then consider milestone based cards. अब चलो, so तुमने शादी कर ली, तुमने 30 to 40 lakhs spend कर दिए. Now you wanted to plan a vacation or a honeymoon. You wanted to plan a honeymoon. Now in this honeymoon, what was the construct of the honeymoon? And before we get into the math and nerd out, I want to understand, is Europe Sneja's choice? Is Europe Shree's choice? What countries are you all doing? Who chose those countries? Why those countries? And then we'll come to the transfer partners and all of that.
आपकी शादी को कितने साल हो गए?
मत याद दिलाओ.
It's been 16 years.
आपको लगता है कि सब decisions में आपका say है?
He set up. It was a setup. It was a setup.
How can you even ask whose choice it was? It was of course her choice.
Sneja. So,
I'm incredibly confident that she will say the right cities and right countries.
No, so actually, very surprisingly, I was okay to not do a honeymoon immediately. We both, so for this wedding, we both kind of were sure that we want to fund our own wedding. Like, we didn't want to take from our parents,
Yeah.
even though they were willing to.
Yeah.
We didn't want to. So we
Correct.
had our very like set budget and
Yeah.
everything. And then I was shifting cities and everything. So being very practical, ki
Yeah.
theek hai, we can go later.
yeah.
Plus, we got married in winters and everywhere it's going to be cold. So, I was like, ठीक है, summer में चलते हैं. Because my first choice was Italy. And Italy in the winter honestly doesn't make sense. मतलब Amalfi Coast आप ठंड में कहाँ ही enjoy करोगे? And all those gelatos and everything you can't enjoy right now. So I told him we can go later. Let's go in the summer or let's go during Feb, March.
Yeah.
But he was actually very sweet about it. He was like, no, we have to go and tu tension mat le. Matlab, I have worked out credit card points hai hamare paas, and you know, we've done our working accordingly. It will not be very expensive and we can afford a good Europe honeymoon. And actually, my choice was London because I have lived in London and
Yeah.
he wanted to go. But, you know, London visa, you can just go in one country. So then we finally decided on Paris because it's his favorite city and he went when he was single.
देखो
So he
देखो,
wanted
कुछ
to-
भी मतलब फालतू में मतलब is it your decision or not? She's taken.
हाँ, मतलब he wanted to go to Paris with his partner. I have never been to Paris. So I was like, ठीक है, Paris चलते हैं. And then because we were going during Christmas and New Year, then I've heard a lot about Christmas markets in Amsterdam and Netherlands basically. So then we decided on Netherlands
I'm sure
and Paris.
Dhuman can attest to
Yes,
Christmas markets in-
he is going to tell us
The
about
most
it.
misunderstood city.
I don't know if he can attest to Christmas markets. There might be other markets that he might be able to attest to.
Yeah, I mean, people are questioning us that the kind of
Yeah,
people
the first
we
reaction
are.
is like, I'm like, what does this mean?
हाँ, सब हमें बोल रहे हैं कि तुम लोग दोनों क्या करोगे एम्स्टरडैम में, मतलब are you sure you guys want to go to Amsterdam? But
Wellness wedding थी हमारी.
yeah, we had a wellness wedding.
I'm telling you, it's a misunderstood city. Please go. It's a beautiful.
Yeah.
Holistic retreat.
So we did our research and that's the two cities that we have finalized. वो भी हमने बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं रखा because like hectic नहीं रखना. We just don't want to keep taking flights. We would rather have good stays.
Yeah.
And in fact, I think first we thought of Maldives once, remember? And he spoke to you. And you were like, Shri, एक ही बार होता है, honeymoon thing big and all.
ये इतना बड़ा शाहरुख खान फैन है ना, सब कुछ एक ही बार होता है. बोलो डायलॉग बोलो.
तुम नहीं समझोगे.
Yeah, so then he actually dropped Maldives. He was like, नहीं, चल Europe ही चलते हैं, we'll figure it out. And then he figured it out and he planned his spends in a way कि points उस time पे आ जाएगा when we can make our bookings and then apply for the visa. So I think in terms of planning, I'm going to give him full credit. He
10
was
on 10,
at
10
it.
on 10.
He was at it. Like he would come back from office. He would spend the evenings just kind of planning everything. He would ask कहाँ जाना है. So that he would give me the power.
Yeah.
But like even hotel selections and all, I think we ended up choosing the best hotels. And because we planned and we booked in advance, the same hotel right now, if you see, it's 3x the cost. Even
Which
with
hotels are
points.
this?
The first hotel we booked, Adil, after hearing that dialogue कि यार एक ही बार होता है, you know, so was Sofitel Le Scribe in Paris.
Nice.
Yeah, I can't imagine doing that hotel like on cash, right? Like it's almost $1 lakh a day.
Yeah.
पंगा ये उसके 3 रात बाद points खत्म हो गए. So I was like, यार shit, I have to spend more now.
And Amsterdam, which is the hotel?
Amsterdam, I think it's the Movenpick.
Movenpick, we went that for the view.
Yeah.
It has
the
a
canal
great
view.
yeah, it has a great view.
It's a great view. Yeah.
So
And then we are like checking in, checking out, just to like cheap out on the last day.
I hope
no,
one Ibis
we
is
got
getting
great
tonight.
deals on the flight as well.
Are you
I
flying the
think-
Air France?
Yeah.
Yeah, flying blue. Okay. Awesome.
So Accor for the win when it comes to hotels.
Oh my god, it's such a great value.
And then you use Air France to book your return flight tickets. So hotels done, flights done, experiences. What are you all looking forward to? What are places you all want to be to? Are you all history buffs? Are you all just like, and what kind of people are you all? Are you all laid back? Like for example, in couples, there are two kinds of couples. One, laid back, chill, हाँ देख लेंगे, आज mood नहीं है नहीं जाएंगे, टहल लेंगे, you know, we'll figure it out. Then there's that other couple who's like, boss 7 बजे उठना है, breakfast करना है, निकलना है, यहाँ जाना है, यहाँ जाना है, यहाँ जाना है, ये सब करना है, and then, so what kind of couple are you all?
पिछले 6 हफ्ते में हम संडे को 7 बजे सिर्फ एक ही दिन उठे आते हैं. आज we're definitely the laid back.
We are
No.
honored.
So I think Shri is the most laid back one when
Yeah.
in general we are both laid back.
Yeah.
But when we are traveling, of course, I want to see everything.
Yeah.
So I wouldn't be 7 बजे maybe थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया.
हाँ,
But I want to be ready and explore and
Yeah.
he's थोड़ा chill आराम से चलेंगे, lunch के बाद चलेंगे types.
The definition of laid back है या नहीं वो ये होता है कि अगर are you missing free breakfast or not as an Indian? If you
नहीं,
are,
तो
then you're
हमने लिया
definitely
नहीं.
वो तो सर मेरा धर्म अलाउ नहीं करता है. The Marwari in me would never miss free
So
breakfast.
we don't eat non-veg, so that's why we didn't opt for breakfast in the hotels because it doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
And I love what you asked, right? What you're looking forward to. I mean, if you're going to France, of course you're looking forward to croissants and the
Yeah.
desserts and all the bakery items for breakfast with fashion, right? All the shopping, which he is not looking forward to. But
See, this is where your second honeymoon will come from.
Recently किसी ने तो आदिल ने एक रील डाली थी उसमें किसी ने तो करेक्ट किया it's Kozo.
Yeah.
बस वो एक स्पेंड है जो काश पॉइंट्स पे होता है.
कौन सा?
शॉपिंग.
क्यों होगा?
हो सकता है.
ये अभी आपका एमएस फ्रैक्चर अभी भेज देगा 2 मिनट के अंदर.
इसे कैश नहीं कर रहा.
अरे
मेरे को ना
but,
वो एक्सेस मैग्नेट बर्गंडी के पॉइंट्स यूज कर रहे हैं.
हम स्पेंड उसी में करेंगे ना, फिर पॉइंट्स आएगा उसको सेकंड.
वही तो
देखो
दिक्कत है.
burn करोगे ना.
बर्न करना है तो.
यार तेरे को इतना कैरी मिलेगा तेरे फर्म में, बड़ी बड़ी डीले
10 साल
कर
बाद मिलेगा.
तो क्या ठीक है ना.
But no, I think we're just. I've never been to Europe. He has still been to a lot of countries, but it's my first time in Europe, so
Yeah.
obviously looking forward to it. Taking lots of pictures. It's going to, and we're going during Christmas and New Year, so it's like the most festive time. And it's going to be beautiful weather, so it's going to be great. Some of my friends actually gifted us Disneyland tickets
Oh, lovely.
for our wedding gift.
Oh,
Fabulous.
nice. What
In
a
Paris.
thoughtful.
Fabulous.
Yeah, so it was a thoughtful
Yeah.
gift,
They like
right?
synced with you on the dates and all of that.
They understood with my sister.
Acha.
So my friend is from France
Huh.
because I was in university in London. So
Yeah.
I have friends from Europe.
Yeah.
So when we were planning, we of course consulted with them, right? Like, which would be the best cities or what would be the best time.
Yeah.
So they knew that we were going to Europe,
Yeah.
and then they coordinated with my sister for the dates. And this was such a thoughtful gift. So the tickets are valid between Christmas and New Year
Brilliant.
in Paris.
Epic.
So
Awesome.
something really amazing. That'll be great.
By the way, you mentioned Italy. Like I would say that if you like go to Amsterdam and take walks around in the evening, it feels a much better Venice, honestly.
Yeah.
Like it's far better than Venice. I think in my head, I think at least I've been to both places, and I feel Amsterdam has a great feel of Venice as well. I think you'll enjoy that.
The CEO has spoken.
Yeah. There you go.
I mean, I wanted to do Switzerland, and he wanted to make sure that we can. But then I said no because Christmas is too cold for Switzerland. So we'll probably go later.
Switzerland is a vibe, yeah. You have to do Switzerland.
हाँ, we will, but not
शॉपिंग
Christmas.
करेंगे वहां पे
और
उसका
श्री-
पॉइंट्स आएगा उससे हम स्विट्जरलैंड जाएंगे.
पक्का उधर शाहरुख.
सर आइडियाज मत दो यार आप.
She is more filmy than I am.
Yeah, I
ये misconception है कि मैं फिल्मी हूँ. ये बहुत फिल्मी.
So ताशी ने मुझे एक बार बोला था सेम चीज कि बोला तुम वहां पे डांस करेंगे. मैंने बोला अगर तू वो साड़ी पहनेगी वहां पे उतनी ठंड में जुमका पे तो मैं डांस करूंगा because I know that's not going to happen.
धीमन क्या खा रहे हो?
यार थोड़ा सा मैंने लेट ऑर्डर किया इस बार बट लाइक आई गॉट अ क्रीमी पेस्टो पोच्ड एग. सो मेरा हेल्थ मुझे अलाउ नहीं कर रहा था कुछ एक्सोटिक खाने के लिए तो मैंने सोचा कि क्रीमी पेस्टो एग खाता हूँ. बट इट लुक्स फैंटास्टिक मैन. इट लुक्स लाइक यू नो really creamy. So I'm
Smart way to eliminate carbs. Just
Yeah.
focus on protein and fat.
Absolutely. हाँ मतलब
Yeah.
ब्रेड खाऊंगा मैं बट लाइक विद लेस गिल्ट.
Shri, croissant कैसा है?
Croissant is fab, Adil. It's a croissant sandwich. So they've made this really nice creamy base. Just mean there are veggies and like really nice croissant. Highly recommend.
Sneha, you tasted the croissant as well. You had the avo toast.
Yeah, so I think I've been eating the most here. I tasted the avo toast, I tasted tomato feta toast, और इतना अच्छा था सब कुछ कि अब मैं croissant sandwich भी मंगा ली.
Nice.
So I think
Glad.
we're trying everything on the breakfast menu today.
Right, guys. So this has been a fun discussion. अभी ये करते हैं. So what we've covered so far is how you planned for your wedding expenses, how you all spent the money, how you all earned the rewards, and how you've successfully booked it in due time. and you're going at the best time, which is the last week of December, which is the most expensive time, but you got crazy deals, and the hotels that you've picked are phenomenal hotels. So y'all will have a blast. अब ये बताओ कि when you're going to go there, the experiences part, the food part, the shopping part, the Louis Vuitton part, the Bottega Veneta, the I don't know और कौन से
Ideas गलत दे रहे हो हमारे.
the Chanel, the Dolce and Gabbana, ये सब तो points में नहीं हो सकता है. ये सब के लिए आपको card swipe करना पड़ेगा. What cards are you thinking for? Pretty much everything that you can't do on points. Have you started calculating that too? कि मेरा expense इतना होगा, मेरा earn rate इतना होगा. This is what I want to do.
I think Magnus is a no-brainer.
Yeah.
Also, Infinia has this opt-in feature where you can opt in for international spends and the interchange becomes just 1%, I think.
Yeah.
So 3.3 आपको वापस आ रहा है. You're paying HDFC 1%, so you still get a decent reward rate there. So I think mostly Magnus and Infinia are there.
I think if you have Magnus, ज़्यादा दिमाग लगाना ही नहीं है. In Demon's words, zero cognitive load, just spend on the Magnus. Although I will say, just be careful, people. Those of you who are taking the Magnus, it has happened with me multiple times. It has happened with Manas just yesterday as well when he was in Switzerland. When you start swiping your Magnus too often, Axis can sometimes just switch off your Magnus and disable it because of suspicious behavior. And by the time you get in touch with them and they reactivate it, 4 to 5 days lag jate hain. So always carry a backup card is my recommendation. So like you already have a backup which is Infinia, which is fantastic.
I also got another backup Adil, after a lot of back and forth with ICICI.
So tell us about the card.
Yeah, so heard on your podcast that the Emerald gives 2% more on
Emerald Private Metal.
Emerald Private Metal. EPM gives 2% better rewards on gift cards.
Gift card, yeah.
So I was like, yaar, again, the Madu in me doesn't wants that extra 2%. So went to ICICI.
Yeah.
They have didn't have a relationship.
Yeah.
But the RM told me this one interesting thing. He's like, sir, आप 5-in-1 account खोल लो,
हाँ.
which has the mutual fund, stocks, all of that.
Booking account, everything.
Booking.
Yeah.
And you just do one transaction, so it looks like an active sort of
Yeah.
5-in-1 account, and then we'll
Get you the card.
get you the car after a month. So that was the hack to getting the EPM,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
it was straightforward. So 6% what base reward rate almost. I think that's a great backup if Axis gets blocked. I think putting too much on the Magnus also is it's a bit risky. You want to like ideally spread it out.
Diverse. Yeah.
So EPM is the backup
Yeah.
if nothing works.
Awesome. Yeah. What is Neja's card portfolio like? Like, are you building it? Are you planning to get her a couple of cards? Neja, are there cards that interest you at all?
Her card
Yeah.
strategies get a +1 on all my cards.
Yeah. Brilliant strategy. Brilliant strategy.
शॉर्टकट हम लोग शॉर्टकट्स देखते हैं
No,
business
no, but
वाले.
seriously, Sneja, you as an individual, now since you, so let's get to this, right? Sneja before Shri and Sneja after she met Shri, were you exposed to credit cards? What was your card stack like? And now that you have seen the benefits, are you inclined to, or you're like, let Shri figure it out? It's not worth my headache.
No, not at all. I think we're very competitive people like
Yeah.
that. So we, I was trying to increase my knowledge
Yeah.
even before our wedding.
Yeah.
So what happened surprisingly, I don't know if you all know this, but as a salaried employee, the limit that you get is much higher
Correct.
than what you get as a self-employed
Yeah.
person, right?
Yeah.
So my limits are never that high.
Yeah.
Business के credit cards पे है, but that of course we use for our clients. We don't use for personal spends. So यार जब तक वो Axis and Vistara का combination
Yeah,
था, I was
yeah.
the happiest.
I
I was
swear.
getting great deals on Vistara.
What an incredible card, right?
Yeah.
What an amazing
दस
card.
दबाती यार मतलब.
वो मतलब I was very happy.
Yeah.
Like मेरे सारे travels I
हाँ.
think उसमें जाते थे, and I had gotten that business वाला
Correct.
card, so
Yeah.
business class and the vouchers that they would
Yeah,
give.
yeah.
So I was like very content with
Correct.
that.
Yeah.
And business में I had this regalia
Yeah.
So I was very happy with HDFC
Yeah.
Regalia also. Ki
Yeah.
Other, there's a funny story on that card.
I'll tell you, wait. So we were in Bangalore airport, okay?
Huh.
It's not even Regalia, I think it's the Access Vistara, okay?
Huh,
We were
huh.
in Bangalore airport. We were traveling somewhere. I think we were going to Udaipur only for a recce. So I met him in Bangalore. And he was like, lounge chalte hai. So I was like, okay, chalo. And he has the best cards,
There's
right?
a premium lounge and there's this like normal lounge in the
Yeah,
Bangalore.
lounge.
So he has these best cards. So I didn't even bother taking out my card, right? And then we go
I
to the
forgot
lounge.
carrying the Magnus Burgundy. I think उस समय
Defend
सिर्फ
मत करो.
Infinia था.
अरे बोलो
तो बड़े चौर से श्री ने निकाला HDFC Infinia. सर ठीक है आप जा सकते हैं, पर +1 अलाउड नहीं है.
हाँ.
मैंने बोला ठीक है आई हैव अ कार्ड. मैंने अपना विस्तारा निकाला.
हाँ.
मैम आप तो प्रीमियम लाउंज में जा सकते हैं.
CEO वेंचर ये सब घर पे हो गया लॉन्च में नहीं
उस दिन काफी बेइज्जती हुई.
यू नीड
That was
रिवैल्यूएशन
so funny.
That's when he said, I will come back with a vengeance. And then
And he
honeymoon
did.
मैं पूरा सॉल्व करूंगा. And how?
Magnus में +3 लेके जाता हूँ.
आई थिंक इसने अपने ऑफिस में परेशान कर दिया होगा CFO कि मुझे लेटर दो कंपनी का कि मुझे एक्सेस मैग्नस मिले. लाइक द अमाउंट ही हैज ट्राइड फॉर दैट.
Yeah. Yeah.
बट आई वाज वेरी हैप्पी विद दीस टू कार्ड्स.
Yeah.
You still have that card? The Vistara?
Yeah, but then they shifted to Air India, na.
But it's still there, no? You have
It's
that.
still there.
Which means you're still
Yeah.
Star Alliance Gold.
Yeah.
Which means she still has the better
Yeah,
launch
so
access in
because-
Bangalore over you.
So because of that card, we get priority boarding in Air India,
Correct.
which
Your money can't buy. Your card can't buy it.
He's like, I
don't
will
fly
bounce
Air
back. I will bounce back.
But I think Vistara gave way better
Yeah.
rewards than Air India. मतलब Air India का conversion is not that great. But of course after he got this, मुझे समझना था, but I could never like sit through podcasts
Yeah.
and you know all this knowledge was just too overwhelming for me.
Yeah.
Shri has obviously simplified it, and
Yeah.
or he
She
just
doesn't have an Adil on speed dial.
Yeah,
You
I
can
have you.
You can always call me. Ruthless.
Now I can. And now he tells me like ye card le, like he's been pushing me to get the Biz Black
Yeah,
for
yeah.
the because
100%,
GST payments
100%.
are a lot, right?
+1.
And it's made specifically for people like her who
Correct.
are like not running a huge company but running a venture.
We didn't
Own
even
venture.
realize that
Yeah.
you know card like that. So we'll go speak to our bank, but definitely I want to build a
All the
card
best for that.
portfolio. Whatever my ITR allows.
Yeah, sure.
But
No, so even if you don't get the Biz Black, I am a strong pusher of saying get the Biz Grow or the Biz Power.
Yeah.
Start that
Vistara
journey.
have,
Yeah.
Vistara have.
You start
So,
with that.
I think one thing what I learned was, right, like I always knew that Infinia or Magnus is by invite only. So I would not like take that effort.
That's the
But
myth,
with-
yeah.
Yeah.
They
but
never
with
invite.
Shreya, like I didn't know कि Magnus के लिए आपको 10 lakhs का balance रखना है,
Correct.
which is honestly not a lot for
Correct.
a wedding.
Correct.
आप रख लो 1 साल के लिए
Correct.
and then you use it again.
Correct.
It's not that bad.
Very well put. You know, the problem is when you read something like invite only, genuinely काफी बार
Yeah.
नए लोगों को लगता है कि वो invite only है. उसका मतलब है कि आओ negotiate करो हमारे साथ, कुछ हमसे खरीदो तो हम तुमको कार्ड देंगे. That's what it means.
Correct.
It doesn't mean like कि घर पे तुमको invite आएगा.
Yeah.
So I think this go-getting behavior
Yeah.
is something I have learned and
Yeah.
seen in him, which is great. And I want to build my portfolio for sure.
Yeah.
And I'm going to take guidance from you guys.
In corporate lingo, he is not exceed expectation. He is outperformer.
हाँ,
5 on 5.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ मेरे सारे परफॉर्मेंस रिव्यूज के मैंने देखे तो ओवर अचीवर प्रो मैक्स फॉर श्योर
बस बैंगलोर एयरपोर्ट नहीं जाने
So
वाली
my friends, they met him, right? And
I can see.
every time he speaks
Yeah.
to them, he keeps telling them, guys, think big.
Yeah.
So they refer to him as a think big.
फाउंडर्स को
guy.
बोल बोल के ना वो आजकल नॉर्मल कॉन्वर्सेशन में भी निकलता है. But what do you guys recommend for the Biz Black? Like we've been trying to get that card forever, right?
So
सिंपल ट्रिक हाउ यू गॉट द इन्फिनिया
yeah. So one simple way is that आप आपके पास Infinia है, write an email to HDFC or reach out to a good CC guy, not the RM. Tell him that
नहीं वो इनके बिजनेस के लिए. I think all the salaried accounts are.
कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. आप बिजनेस ले लो, उसको 1+1 दे दो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. It doesn't matter because the points will anyways come in the same account.
Does a
right?
salaried employee can still
So
Yes.
there is a way of getting it. You can request SDFC to say that I have an Infinia, I want it as a floater. There's a 50-50 chance of getting it approved. Get it, try it and see if you get it approved.
Yeah, मिल जाएगा.
Relationship with HDFC has been there for ages, right? I think since I got the Diners Black
Yeah.
8 years back, Adil, which was
So I think this is also a very underrated thing, that maintain your relationship
Yeah.
Correct.
with your
Absolutely.
bank
Completely
managers,
agree.
which I think a lot
Yeah.
of people don't take seriously.
Yeah.
He has done that, and he really maintained, and he kept in touch with them all the time.
Yeah.
So they all tried to help him in whatever
Yeah.
way they could.
So चलो रैप करते हैं इसके साथ. Shri, Sneja, thank you so much for coming. Shri, like I'll say, I've known him for कितने साल हुए भाई अभी? 9 years.
9 years.
9 years. Super humble, super down to earth. Amazing guy to hang out with. कभी ऐसा लगेगा नहीं कि ये where he is in life and what he's punching for is 100x bigger than you and I can imagine. But he's super down to earth and always gives you that your friendly neighborhood kind of vibe. So thank you for coming, brother, like always. And Sneja, amazing couple, both of you. Awesome getting to know you. Thank you for coming on the pod.
Thank you for having
Was
us.
lovely being at your wedding. I had a blast. Here's wishing you all an amazing lifetime of happiness together. And उसके साथ आदरणीय धीमन जी, Chief Amsterdam Officer, thank you for being on another pod.
मैं अपने घर पे सब डिग्री हटा दूंगा अभी ये सब डालूंगा CTO, CAO, CGO, पता नहीं क्या
CTO पता है ना, Chief Thailand Officer है
अच्छा।
उसका.
Chief Guest Acquisition Officer, पता नहीं क्या
हाँ
क्या
हाँ.
short
और CGO is not Chief Growth Officer, Chief Go Officer. क्योंकि भाई साहब बता दो इनको भी कितनी बार जा चुके हो?
17 बार
17
हाँ.
oh my god.
So that's our CGO for you.
Well earned title there.
So with that, we'll wrap it up. Guys, hope you had fun in this particular episode where we unpacked how the big fat Indian weddings can help you unlock potential Europe Christmas honeymoons all the way in December, which is peak time. पीक हॉलीडे सीजन, पीक रेट्स. लोगों को लगता है रिडेम्पशन पॉसिबल नहीं है, अवार्ड टिकट अवेलेबिलिटी नहीं होती है, हाउ विल वी गेट रूम नाइट्स? वेल, मीट द कपल हु मेड इट ऑल हैपन, एंड दे मेड इट ऑल हैपन in record time, which is less than 6 months, planned it super strategically, and they're all set to go have a blast. With that, this is Sneja, Shri, Adil, and Dhiman signing off from the Great Indian Points and My Show.
Lights flashing bright, we're on the go. Tune in now, there's so much to know. Earning bits, travel dreams we sow, all aboard the Great Indian Points and Miles Show. 0 to hero in the blink of an eye. Fly first class, no need to be shy. Redemption sweet, touching the sky. Award seats booked, let's give it a try. Award seats booked, let the points flow. It's all aboard the Great Indian Points and Miles Show. Unlocking journeys wherever you go. The sky's the limit, feel the travel mojo. Hidden treasures in every flight. Nights in places that feel so right. From deserts to the city lights, get set, steal those dazzling sights. Miles stack up each passing day. Rewards come back in a million ways. In this game you want to play, the Great Indian Adventure, yay! Award seats booked, let the points flow. It's all aboard the Great Indian Points and Miles Show. Unlocking journeys wherever you go. The sky's the limit, feel the travel mojo.